What is up, everyone? Today we have a warm cinnamon ginger tea. So this is great for fall, all the fall vibes. I have a little S mug here for Svelte. We are going to use just cinnamon or ginger, and then we have a cinnamon honey mixture right here. So you can combine cinnamon into your honey, or you can add some honey into your cinnamon and mix all of those up and place them in your warm tea mug here. Because these are loose ingredients, if you have a tea infuser, which is like a little ball or a little mesh netting thing that you want to put inside of your tea mug to hold all the ingredients together, you can do that. If you want, you can just put the ingredients in the mug, up to you. But I'm gonna grab the little teapot here, and we're gonna put some of the warm water into the mug. And it is hot, so be careful. And then once you have your the right amount of water that you want in there, then I've sliced this ginger really finely. You want to have it really thin. That way it can be more absorbed more easily within the water as it's steeping. So these are really thin slices of ginger. Ginger is great for helping digestion. So if your stomach's feeling a little funny, it's really good to have ginger tea, which is perfect for when you're drinking this tea. It's also helpful if you're feeling bloated or if you're a woman and you have cramps. Ginger's great for that. The cinnamon is super great for helping to curb cravings and maintain a healthy weight. The honey is great, has anti-inflammatory properties as well as antibacterial properties. So, you know, if you have a sore throat or something, honey is always great to use for that. So another reason to drink this tea. But these ingredients all together give you a ton of amazing benefits. It also tastes really good, and it's just a nice warm beverage for the fall. So I'm going to add in here some of the ginger, the little thin ginger slices. And we're gonna add a few. You wanna let this steep also. So I would say about 15 minutes or so, let the tea steep, and then you can enjoy it and get all of its benefits. Because if you drink it too soon, we're just gonna add a little drizzle of the cinnamon honey there. And then you want to let the tea steep so that the water absorbs some of the ginger, and you can stir in the honey while it's still hot so that the honey dissolves. But once you dissolve it, stirring all of these good things in here and let it steep, then you can enjoy your warm cinnamon ginger tea, and that is all. So if you liked this recipe, make sure you check out the other recipes. We have awesome desserts, dinners, everything you can imagine. So make sure you check out the other recipes and our workouts and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.